Hey everybody, Lucy here. Just doing a quick video on my new Tricked-Toys hitch that I got to tow my sled. Yeah, obviously you can see here. Tow like for hot tenting, ice fishing, maybe even trapping. We'll see. So anyway, I wanted to show you a quick little, I think this is my Pelican 60 sled. I obviously did a video. You can look in my videos and you'll see how I did this tie down system here. I'll put a link to my video in this video. Anyway, here's the hitch. So this is from Tricked-Toys. I got this pin at Princess Auto, and this is like a quick connect hitch. So I did this here like this, so I don't lose the pin, cotter pin. So that came off obviously. So all you do, you just spin these off. You have to permanently attach it to your sled. You have to wiggle a little bit just to get these loose. There we go. Just tight. It comes right off just like that. Put it on again. Just make sure those are up. Put that on. Make sure those are on. And you spin these down just like that. Center your hitch. Get one on. Spin that one down. Boom. That's all there is to it. Just like that. Bring the thing back up. Pop out the tongue. Put it in here. Grab your pin. And she's through. Stick your cotter in. She's ready to tow. Just as easy as that. They're about 220 bucks, but it's billet aluminum and it's strong. Of course, it's on the strongest part of the sled. They say is the not the hitch, but the handle here. But I'm not sure about that. We'll see. Anyway, it's towed it around a little bit here. It seems pretty good. Tows well behind the sled. So we'll see what happens in the future. I'm sure you'll see this down the road in other videos. Anyway, thanks for watching. Lucy out. Like and subscribe and share. Thanks.